In today's video, let's look at the couple of fixes that you can try out to solve the Spotify playback error. The first thing that you'll need to ensure in this situation is that if your internet connection is stable. If it is not, you can try switching between different networks such as your Wi-Fi as well as your cellular data. The second thing that you can do is try to remove the Spotify app from the recent app list and then try to open up the app again and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, then you'll need to look for new updates available. So search for Spotify, and if there are new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. If none of these solutions work out for you and if you're still facing this issue, then what you can do is uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, as well as any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. Lastly, you'll need to ensure that your device has at least 250 MB of free space in order for you to use Spotify without having any lagging issues. So once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify playback error. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.